How to find low competitive keywords for Google. Yes, this technique will work for every platform like WordPress, Shopify or any other platform on which you have built your website. And if you are selling your products on e-commerce store like Shopify and you want to rank your product on Google, or you are working on a blog and you are writing articles on that blog and you want to find low competitive keywords or topic in which there is not many articles present on Google, so you can actually write the article on that topic and that low competitive keyword will help your article to rank on first page of Google from your first day. So basically this video is too much valuable for you, and the technique which I'm going to explain you in this video is a unique technique, and most of the people out there are explaining this technique in their paid courses. But today on this channel, I'm going to give you this technique free of cost because you are my valuable viewer and subscriber and I want you to learn everything for free. So if you watch this short video till the end, so you will be able to know how to find very low competitive keyword for Google, so you can also rank your website, blog, article or product on first page of Google and get free traffic from organic searches from Google. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and on Google I have searched a keyword best pet gadgets ever. So this keyword is just an example keyword with the help of which I'm going to explain you this method, right? So basically if you're writing an article, blog or you want to rank your product on Google, so before that you need to understand like how Google works, like what is the algorithm behind that. So as you already know that nowadays whenever someone is having a problem or having any question, they just go on Google and type their question or problem here, and against that keyword or query or problem, Google shows them the results. And the results are based on the data Google is having. That means someone is there putting and feeding the data into the Google, and Google can only show you the information which Google have. But for example, if you type a question on Google and Google is not having the enough data for that question, then Google will show you some results which are not exact same results but are relevant to that keyword. So that means there are two kind of keyword, like low competitive keyword and high competitive keyword. So if we take example of high competitive keyword, just like this, you can see that this is a keyword best pet gadgets ever. So when I search that keyword on Google, so Google is showing me that there are almost 28 million results Google is having for this keyword, right? So basically we cannot find the competitiveness of any keyword with this thing only, and we need to do some more research, right? So after searching any keyword on Google, we can see that this first link I'm seeing is sponsored by Amazon, like best selling pet products. And if I go further down, I can see the second link, best pet gadgets, and this link is from a website called Pocket Link. And if I go further down, I can find some other website like Engadget, and if I go further down, I can keep finding multiple websites, and these are basically the websites which have write the article on that particular keyword and they are actually ranked on page number 1. So that means Google is having the data regarding that keyword. That's why Google is showing me these sites. But if we write an article on this keyword on our website, so it will be very hard for our article to rank on first page of Google because there are already many websites ranking on first page of Google and Google is having enough data regarding that keyword. So if you work on that keyword, so it will be very hard for you to rank on first page of Google. But instead of this keyword, if you find a low competitive keyword on which there is keyword gap, like Google is not having the enough data to show to audience for that keyword, and if you write an article on that keyword, then when someone search for that keyword on Google, Google will show your article because your article is relevant to that keyword, right? So now the question is how we can find such low competitive keyword on which if we write an article or if we use that keyword into a Shopify product, so our website can actually rank on the first page of Google and start coming in searches. So to find those keywords which are low competitive, we need to take the help of a tool called Semrush, and some people called it Semrush. And if you also want to try this tool, you can find the link of that tool in the description of this video, so you can click on that link and sign up on that tool, right? So after signing up on that tool, you will be able to see a screen like this, and on the left side you can see that there are multiple options or tool inside this tool which can actually help us to do the keyword research for Google, right? So basically in this technique we are going to use this tool, domain overview and organic search, right? So if we click on domain overview, then Semrush is asking us to put a domain. So here we need to put a domain for which we need to find the keywords, right? So you need to do the same thing step by step, which I'm doing here, right? So in the domain, I can just write pinterest.com and change location from worldwide to USA, or you can just use any country for which you want to rank your article, right? So after typing the domain name pinterest.com and selecting the US location, I need to click on search. So after getting the results, you can see that I have got the data about Pinterest website in USA. Like the authority score is 100% and the US traffic on this website from Google is 161.8 million. Right? And if I go further down, I can find some other countries in which that website Pinterest is ranked. And if I go further down, I can see organic research tab in which I can see other multiple keywords. So what I have to do is I have to click on view details. Then you can see that this tool has taken me from this page domain overview to the second page, which is organic search. So that means if I am on this tool, so this tool will show me like how many keywords are there on which Pinterest website is ranking on first page of Google in US country, right? And if I go further down, you can see that there are over 70 million keywords on which Pinterest is ranked on Google first page in USA. So now the question is how we can take advantage of this method to find a keyword in our niche. So basically in this search field, if I type any keyword regarding my category like pet hair and click on search, then you can see that this tool has basically filtered out all of the other keywords which are excluding the pet and is showing me all of those keywords which are having the word pet in it. You can see that there are more than 327k keywords which are having pet in it, and the Pinterest website is ranked on page number 1 of Google in USA on all of those keywords. Right? So after putting that step, if I scroll further down, I can see all of those keywords like pet finder, pet supplies plus, adopt a pet, pet finder, and these are the keywords on which Pinterest website is ranking. And on the right side, I can see some other aspects as well, like traffic, volume, keyword difficulties, and URL. So if we take the example of this keyword, pet supplies plus, so we can see that there is 20,000 traffic on this keyword from Google and the volume is 673k. Like it's too much. Like many people are searching this keyword and a lot of traffic is coming from Google from this keyword on this website Pinterest. But if we see on the right side the keyword difficulty, which is orange and which is 59, so that means this keyword is very good, the search volume is good, the traffic is good, but the difficulty is too much high. Like if the difficulty is red or orange, that means we cannot rank on this keyword because this keyword is high competitive. But if somehow we find a keyword having difficulty very low like yellow or green, that means we can actually rank on that keyword because of the low competition. So now if we want to put some more filter to fine tune our search to find the exact keyword for our blog or our website, then we need to go up and put out some more filter here. Like after putting the keyword pet, if I just click on this volume drop down menu and put the volume between 500 to 5000 and click on apply, so on the left side you can see that these keywords from 327k will reduce for sure, and we can see that the remaining keywords are only 16.8k. Right? And if I scroll further down, I can find all of those keywords which are having less traffic and less search volume, so we can actually target them. And on the right side, you can see that the keyword difficulties for these keywords are very less, like green, 21, 25, 28, but I can still see some keyword having red keyword difficulty. So I need to go up again and put a filter on KD as well, which is keyword difficulty. So if I click on this drop down menu, so I can see percentages for keyword difficulty. Like if I want the keyword which are very easy to rank, so I need to look for all those keywords having KD score less than 14%. And for easy, this is 29%, and for possible, this is 49%. So I want easy and very easy. So I need to click on this one and then click on apply. So as you can see here, the keyword reduced too much. Like from the billions keyword on which Pinterest is ranking on Google, I have only shortlisted 4.5k keywords. Right? And here at this point, I need to put another filter for the position. Like I want only those keywords. Like are you understanding what I'm saying? Like I want only those keywords on which Pinterest website is ranking on page number 1 of Google, having keyword difficulty less, having less search volume and less traffic. So I can actually target those keywords on my blogs, article or website. So my website can actually rank on first page of Google very easily. And believe me guys, I have used this method every time and multiple times, and this technique has actually helped me rank my article or rank my website on first page of Google within 1 to 2 days. Right? So if in the position I select top 50, then you can see that I am having only 3.4k keyword left. So now at this point I am done with my keyword research. Like I have put all of those filters which I need, and if I scroll further down, I can find all of those keywords which are best for me. Like you can see that having 580 traffic, 4.4k search volume, and the keyword difficulty is 21. So if I write the article on pet the cat costume, or if I scroll further down, I can find some more keyword in which I think that I can write article, then I will be able to rank my article or my website on that keyword on Google very easily. So let's take the example of this keyword, which is paper dragon puppet ideas. And on the right side, I can see that Pinterest website is ranking on Google on this keyword, and the volume is good, traffic is good, and the difficulty is moderate, right? So if I copy this keyword, paper dragon puppet ideas, and then if I search that keyword on Google, so you can see that if I scroll down, I can see that Pinterest website is ranking on first feed of Google on this keyword. So basically, what does that mean? Like when someone searches for paper dragon puppet ideas on Google, then Google is not having the enough data for other websites or for other articles to show on this keyword. That's why Google is showing Pinterest website on this keyword, right? So in that way, if you repeat the same method with 3 websites, which is Pinterest.com, Medium.com and Quora.com, and if you find any keyword on which when you type that keyword on Google, you can see these 3 websites on first page, Pinterest, Quora and Medium. That means Google is not having the enough data to display for that keyword. That's why Google is showing you the user generated content on Google. So there is definitely a keyword gap in these keywords. So if you use those keywords to write the article, then you can actually rank your article or website on first page of Google very easily and get free traffic from Google searches. And if you want to learn more about ranking your website, your Shopify store or your blog into first page of Google, so you can actually get free traffic, so you can just watch my other videos in this playlist, which can actually help you a lot. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.